Hello my dear students, welcome to the mathematics session. I am Sabita. I am here to assist you with mathematics. I am going to discuss all the concepts in your syllabus with many real life situations including your textbook examples. Also, I will provide all the information that you need for this subject. So let's dive into it. Hope you have watched the introduction video of the first chapter, that is number system. After watching the introduction session, I guess you had a clear picture on the concepts that we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, what is number system? Number system is basically a system of expressing or naming or representing numbers. We can also say the collection of numbers is called as number system. There are different sets of numbers, namely natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rationals and irrationals. In your grade 8, you have studied about rational numbers, their representation on the number line and their properties, isn't it? In this grade, let's see irrationals and their representation in this class. Let me give you a brief recap about these set of numbers. The first thing that we have learned in mathematics is counting, isn't it? Writing numbers from 1 and also counting them, isn't it? Yes, these counting numbers are called as natural numbers and they are represented with the letter capital N. So, N can be expressed like this. Natural numbers is set of 1, 2, 3, so on till infinity, isn't it? And this is the representation of these counting numbers on the number line. Look here. Next, I had 4 candies and I shared these 4 candies with my 3 brothers. Okay, now how many candies do I left with? 0, right? Then, where can I place this 0? This formed a new set of numbers including natural numbers, that is whole numbers. Whole numbers are the set of the natural numbers and 0. This set of the whole numbers is represented with capital W and see here the set of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, so on infinity. And the representation of these numbers on the number line looks like this. We know that the temperature goes below 0 degrees in many foreign countries. Sometimes -3, sometimes -5, etc. Right? Here negative numbers are used for the representation of low temperatures. Thus here comes another set of numbers. This set consists of negative numbers to the whole number set. And this set of numbers are called as integers and integers are represented with the letters I or Z. I is integers and what is Z mean? Z means Zehlin, which means to count in the German language. So, the set of positive and negative numbers including 0 is called as integers. This is how we represent integers on the number line. If you observe these 3 number lines, that is number line of natural numbers, next whole numbers and integers, do you think are there any numbers lying in between 1 and 2 or -2 and -3? I have to share this pizza with my brothers. Okay, so each one gets one portion of pizza. This portion is called part of a whole. I got one piece out of 4 pieces. This can be represented as 1 by 4, isn't it? You know, these are called as fractions. Then what about negative fractions? So where can I place these negative fractions and positive fractions on the number line? Yes, here comes the set of numbers which are in the form of p by q, where p, q belongs to integers and q is not equals to 0 are called as rational numbers and are represented with the capital Q. The representation of these numbers on the number line is like this. We can write infinite rational numbers between any 2 rational numbers. Now, what are the numbers that can't be expressed in the rational numbers? The numbers that cannot be expressed in the form of p by q, then they are called as irrational numbers. There are infinite irrational numbers that can be placed in between any 2 consecutive rational numbers or any 2 rational numbers. The combination of these rationals and irrational numbers is called as real numbers and the real numbers are represented with the capital letter R. So, all the natural numbers are whole numbers here. So, if you see this image here, all the natural numbers are whole numbers, all whole numbers are integers, all integers are rational numbers, and thus the combination of rationals and irrationals together called real numbers. In grade 8, you have learned how to find rational numbers in between two rational numbers, isn't it? So we'll be solving more sums in our upcoming digital classes on this concept. Watch that class and keep practicing. See you soon guys in the next session. This is Sabita signing off.